Oh, I'm like this. What's good again? It's your SyVon.
It's your girl SyVon, and we
are back with another video.
Damn, there was an echo. Alright guys, we are back with another bumbleclot video.
I'm back with another posted cloud video. You see me? What the fuck? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Like, comment, subscribe again.
You just had to outdo me, huh?
Yeah, I have to. I always have to outdo you.
I had it in the bag.
I had it in my pocket.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Alright guys, so as y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we are going to be doing the Jailhouse burrito food hack or something like that.
Huh?
I don't know if it's a hack or what it is, but okay guys, so the first time I've ever heard of this kind of burrito is when my uncle made it when he first got out of jail. That was the first meal that he cooked us when he first got out of jail, y'all. Was this Jailhouse burrito.
It's that more than a struggle meal burrito.
More, this is like
you mix whatever they give you type food.
Whatever you can afford, you mix it together and make you a food. You make you a whatever. So my uncle made this for me, my brothers, his kids, his wife, my mom, all of us. He made this for us when he got out of jail, and it was good. It was good. It's really good. And then my brother, he's a correction officer, so you know he works with inmates and everything, and he told me about this as well. Like he told me so many like food hacks and everything that they be coming up with. They be making cheesecakes, they be making chocolate cake, they be making burritos, they be making freaking anything.
I'm curious to see how she gonna make this burrito without no actual flour burrito, tacos, whatever burrito.
Yeah, that is optional. If you want to use tortillas or whatever, you don't really have to, but that's optional. But when I first had it, if I can remember right, because this was back in, I want to say 2010 or 2009 when when my uncle got out and he made this for us. So I was pretty young back then, all right? So I don't remember if he used tortilla or not. My brother said it's optional. If you want to use it, you can. If you don't have to. So
we want to do it the same way he did.
Yeah.
Same way they do it in Jailhouse. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you ready?
I'm not ready, but I'm ready to do this video, but I'm not ready to eat that.
Okay, so the ingredients that you're gonna need is a bag of chips. You can use any kind of chips you want. Javon picked these chips. You get your packs of noodles, any kind of noodles you want. Get you a pack of noodles or two.
Chips with noodles. Oh,
chips with noodles.
I'm down bad already. Then this what pissed me off, bro. Cheese, bro.
Get y'all some cheese.
Melted cheese with
the next thing.
Sardines and rice, tuna and rice. Yeah, man, eat them there. Wait, come up. Yeah, man, the same look. What you give me? Same look me and give back. What is that?
Babe, what is tuna and rice?
Tuna, you don't know tuna?
I know tuna, but why would you eat that together?
What do you mean, why would you eat this together? And then she got wrench. We go to the toilet, boy. We finna spoil the toilet tonight.
So after you take that wrench, you get some chili. Get you some chili.
But you talking about tuna and rice?
The tuna and rice.
Man, I ate tuna and rice for all day. I ate some sardines and rice all day for 8 days.
I don't know about all that. And the next thing you get is any kind of meat that you want. So we got some Vienna sausages. So yeah, you can use any kind of meat you want. You can use Vienna, you can use sausages, lunch meat, whatever you want. First thing we're gonna do, because we're gonna make everything in this bag right here.
Oh, everything's going in this bag?
Everything is gonna be made in this bag. So the way my uncle made it, he put everything in one bag, right? And he folded the bag into like a burrito style. He folded that up. And then he set the bag over inside of some boiling hot water. That's how he made it. He put it over in some hot water. But the way that I see other people making it is they crumble everything up, put it inside of the bag of chips. So they get a bigger bag of chips. And then what they do is they pour some hot water inside of the bag and just roll it up and leave it sitting for 5 minutes. So that's how other people are making it.
So how the noodles gonna cook?
The hot water.
Huh?
The hot water.
I think I see it all.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open this bag of chips, y'all. We made some fried chicken with these type of chips too before, huh?
Long time ago.
Yeah, that shit. That's
comment down below for sure if you should do it next one, but not Doritos, but next chip.
But next chip. So this is what the chips. Y'all, they smell good. They eat one.
Me eat what?
Eat
you see where front I said? You see where front I said? All right.
So, oh y'all can't see this inside the bag, but y'all get it. Y'all get it. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna crush all these chips up. The first thing we're gonna crush all these chips up.
It's really crazy how, you know, I guess y'all see homeless people or people who live in the woods. They ain't got no food, like you gotta cook in the stove, so they gotta like improvise whatever the word is looking for. They gotta go through all. It's crazy how in a jail, you know, people can come with foods like this.
All right, so this is what it looks like. So basically everything is crumbled up. Babe, this is how we used to eat our chips at school.
I used to eat mine like that too.
Take a spoon and then eat
no,
it.
what the?
I don't know. You crumble all the chips up and you take a spoon and then dip inside and eat it like that.
Some ice cream too?
No, you just eat the chips plain like this.
I just do it like this. What's that?
Okay, guys. So all the chips are crumbled up. This bag was up right here. Now it's like right here. All right. So after you crumble the chips up, you're gonna take your noodles, but take the pack out of it so you can crush down with it. So take the pack out. Oh shit.
So yeah, crush it up. Oh yeah, crush it up. Oh, take the pack out.
Yeah, take the pack out. Now he dropped it. He fumbled the bag. So you're just gonna crumble the chips. I mean the noodles.
Alright.
Maybe don't break the bag. And watch me break the bag. Bro, every time I tell you not to do something, I always
Shut up about me.
I know you proud.
You feel me? We smart.
You.
I think mine's waiting, get crushed up, right? I think get crushed up.
So after your noodles are crushed up, you just pour it into the bag.
You need both?
What
the hell be over?
Right. So after you add all the noodles in the bag, you just go ahead and mix it all up. And then babe is gonna put the water. You only need 1 cup of water to, you know, put in this bag, but you don't want to like put too much water in there where it looks soupy, because you want the noodles to be firm. So let's see what it's looking like. That's what it looks like, babe.
Interesting.
Y'all, this is a lot. If y'all can see it, I don't know if y'all can see it. I thought y'all would be able to see it with the light.
Right there. Go right there. Down some more.
Can y'all see it right there? Okay. So that's what it looks like. You got all the noodles and everything mixed in. What you do next is you take the season packs to give it a little bit of flavor.
This is seasoning.
Yep, the season from this and from the chips and stuff. So you take the season pack and you just put it all in there. Alright, so after you add the season pack, you just want to go ahead and stir it up again. Just cut them.
Alright, so guys, you know what this is the favorite part of the video. This right here. Other stuff, I don't know what that means. Can you show the whole thing in there?
You can probably need to. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Smell it, babe. Okay, so after that, babe is gonna take some of the sausages and he's gonna cut them up. Babe, I need you to open this too.
Oh, you cut the sausages then?
Yeah, you can, or just tear them up or whatever. And then you're gonna take a slice or two of cheese, and then you're just going to basically kind of tear them apart and put them inside of
so I cut up them here like this. Yeah. Like that. Yeah.
Okay, so take the cheese and then put it inside of the bag.
The cheese is just killing me. The cheese.
Ooh. Put all of that, and this cheese it'll feel like it'll melt easily too. So I'm gonna get 2 slices of cheese so it can be cheesy.
So guys, I just cut up these. Focus camera. She got the cheese right there. What do y'all do?
I'm trying to cut them.
Oh, wow, you think you're smart. Very interesting.
Then we're gonna take these Guys, this is going really, really good.
Chef Jay.
Y'all look how he cut these.
See, who guys? Comment down below who cut their stuff like this. This stuff like this. Simple.
Yeah, that's what you get.
Man, what is this?
It's chili, babe.
More like shit.
Babe, you ain't never ate chili before?
Hell no. You ever seen me eat chili before?
Nah, you right.
This is my duty gonna look when I leave the toilet.
So you take the chili.
Man, I'm just need to take out the trash today. Yeah.
Okay, what y'all think? That's enough or one more?
Man, hell no.
That should be good.
You sure you're doing it right, man?
Nope. Oh. Yeah, I like chili. First, we're gonna take the ranch. Yeah, I don't know if I'm doing it right. I don't remember him doing it like that.
Yeah. Man, ain't no way, man. Ain't no way, bro. Baby, what you got? You ain't doing it right. She ain't doing this right.
I don't know if this is right, y'all. I told y'all the last time I did this. Oh, okay, let's get to the bottom.
This ain't right, bro. The toilet is calling my name today.
Yeah, this water hot. Okay, so
I want the noodles to cook. What you mean hot?
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the water and just pour it in the bag. So guys, this bag is gonna be really, really hot.
You supposed to put all of it in there?
I don't know. Let me see.
What you mean you don't know?
Hey, because then
What you doing? You ain't pouring it in there.
I know, I'm trying to see where it's at.
Man, she finna gotta eat some raw noodles, bro.
Baby. So work.
Can I drip for it?
Ooh.
Can I drip for it?
No, it's just hot.
This look like you can't smell it. This look like an epic film, man. I like it.
This shit hot. So you just let everything cook.
Hold on. Not that good. I think water not touch everywhere.
I don't know what you just said, but okay.
The water not touch everywhere, brother.
All right.
Can I show you how burger that is?
Fill it. Fill the bag.
It's like a cooked man, man.
All right. So guys, we're gonna let this sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, everything should be good and cooked, and it should be all intertwined. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this bag and I'm just going to roll it into the style of a burrito.
You need more water?
You
need more water?
Alright, so alright guys, so I'm gonna let it sit just like this. Then I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so we have let this thing sit for about 5 minutes. And you ready, babe?
Hell no.
It smelled good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, it smelled pretty good. So this is what it's looking like. We put it inside of this bag here. This is the burrito. So now I'm finna just cut the bag open on the side so y'all can get the full effect. And then we're gonna wash these scissors off later.
What the hell?
Ooh, baby. That's how it's supposed to look. Ew.
Oh, I'm going to the toilet eating this crap, boy.
Yeah, I'm scared. I don't remember this how it's supposed to look.
Oh. I'm gonna clear this.
What? Oh my god.
It look like a burrito now.
Ooh. Baby, that's good. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Oh gosh. First bite, guys. It smells like chili. The chili is really strong.
So the toilet gonna be really strong. Stop the cap. Stop it.
Whoever made this, that's pretty good. Yeah, come on, champ. Come on, champ. Woo! Look at him. He's so dramatic, y'all. All right, here we go. Moment of truth, babe. Pick a good spot. He finna get a little everything. Go and eat it. It tastes pretty good, y'all. Look at him chewing fast. That's how you know he don't want to eat something. Babe, stop eating so fast because he's not even tasting it. Now you gotta taste another piece.
No.
Yes. When he chew fast like that, y'all, he not even trying to taste it. He's just trying to digest it. Hurry up.
I feel my belly hurt me.
No, it's alright. Slow. Taste every ingredient. What it tastes like. Honest opinion. Come on. Come on. Yeah, he like that. What you think?
Honest opinion?
Honest opinion.
It's not bad.
But it's not great.
It's not bad. It's alright.
Yeah. It's hot.
I feel a little spice to it. It's not bad. Let me try it with the sausage real quick.
Oh yeah, I didn't even get a piece of sausage. Right? Look, he like it. Y'all, he been in jail before.
Jailhouse, yeah.
All this right here is the chili. That's the chili right there, and that look like the cheese, that little slide right there. But y'all, this is a big bag. This is one whole bag of Dorito Flamin' Hot chips with 2 packs of noodles and 1 can of Viennese sausages, 2 slices of cheese, about 2.5 scoops of chili, and a dash of ranch. Well, not a dash, but a whole squirt of ranch. Alright guys, so that was our Jailhouse burrito video. So he liked it, y'all. I don't know why he playing. I'm finna eat half of this, and probably the other half I'm gonna trash because I ain't trying to have diarrhea tonight. Cause all that spice mixed with that chili and that cheese and that ranch, it ain't agree. It ain't gonna agree. So yeah, this is our video, y'all. Let us know in the comment section below if y'all created it differently, what kind of chips y'all used, and if it was good for y'all, this and that and this. And we're gonna catch y'all in the next video. But you got anything else you want to say?
If you guys want to try this, keep the restaurant close to you because you're gonna need it. It's gonna be your best friend for the night. Let
us know if y'all want us to create anything else in the comment section below, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.